Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to make best shake video. So let's start the video. Put your photo. Make short 0.4 second. Add keyframe in the beginning and ending. Zoom your photo. Then go opacity and make 25. And increase opacity in the beginning by 100. Then go animation option and choose swing bottom left. And make 0.2 seconds. Then go effect option and choose a bleak blur. And make small as much possible. And adjust by blur 100 and rotate 70. Then copy this effect 3 times. Again adjust by blur 30. Again copy 2 times. And adjust blur 20. Now go again effect option. And choose shake effect. And adjust speed 35. Copy this effect. And make little one. And adjust speed 10 and intensity 15. Copy one more time and make full on. Adjust speed 7 and the intensity 10. Now save the video. If you want to make more, so replace photo like this. Upload video what you make recently. And copy every clip 2 times. And save the video. Let's see the result. Don't forget to like and subscribe.